Hello and good morning, all. This is a story I found out, I guess, read on Fox News, and I think the guys should be charged with a whole lot more. But before we get to the story, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, comment down below what you think of it, and if you could, share it. Now, on to the story. A New Jersey man who coughed on a Wegmans worker to face charges of terroristic threats, governor says. Too light. Charge him with attempted murder, charge him with being a member of a terrorist cell, and everything else you can think of. Throw the book at him. New Jersey Governor Phil Murphy on Tuesday charged a man facing charges for allegedly coughing on a grocery store employee and then claiming he contracted the coronavirus. Murphy, a Democrat, said George Falcone, 50, was charged with terroristic threats, harassment, obstruction, NewJersey.com reported. The alleged incident happened at the Wegmans grocery store chain located in Malaplan, some 50 miles south of New York City. There are knuckleheads out there. We see them and we are enforcing behavior, Murphy said during the news briefing. Falcone, a freehold, was at the Wegmans on Sunday when a female employee became concerned that he was not practicing social distancing and standing too close to her. She asked him to step back as she covered a open display of prepared for food. New Jersey Attorney General said in a release. Falcon moved forward and coughed, laughing, said he had contracted the virus. The Attorney General's office said he allegedly then told two other employees they were lucky to have their jobs. When the police arrived, Falcone refused to identify himself for 40 minutes. Uh, I had a bunch more charges for that. I'm not sure. These are difficult times in which all of us are called upon to be considerate of each other, not engage in intimidation and the spread of fear, as alleged in this case, the Attorney General stated. We must do everything we can to deter this type of conduct. Best way to deter it? Take him out, live TV, put a bullet in the back of his head. And similar conduct that harms others during this emergency, just as we're cracking down on bias offenses and those who use the pandemic to fuel hatred and prejudice. We vow to respond swiftly and strongly whenever someone commits a criminal offense that uses coronavirus to generate panic or discord, the Attorney General added. The news comes as New Jersey has seen a spike in cases. Overall, the state has almost 3,700 confirmed cases and 44 deaths. Over the weekend, Murphy ordered the state's 9 million residents to stay at home and close all non essential businesses until further notice. We are up and down the state, and we will take any non compliance behavior, no matter, never mind, and egregious behavior. Falcone faces up to 7 years of prison and several $1,000s in fine. No, life in prison, $1 million in fines. This guy reminds me of those idiots that's coughing on cops and saying they have coronavirus to try to get out of a ticket. No, those guys should be charged as terrorists too. Have their car impounded, a couple decades in prison. Stop being so lenient to these assholes. People like him get me upset. And I'm gonna have to leave this story before I get even more upset. My blood pressure goes way up. As always, everyone have fun, be safe. Bye bye.